Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you manifest some money into those money bags. So like that, you guys can snatch up some more FEG, snatch up some BTC, and much more. Today, we're going to be talking about the code cracker. We're going to be talking about price predictions, and we're going to do some comparisons with the time frames of when FEG token hit that $1 billion market cap. You guys are going to want to watch all the way into the end of the video. Let's go ahead and get this one started and jump right in. First off, let's start off by following FEG token at FEG token on the X page, and making sure the bell notification is lit. I'm going to go over the details of the first day of Christmas that we had, just so you guys can see what's on the table as far as that goes. But we are on the 7th day of Christmas, okay? So the steps are as follows. We got solve the festive code cracker over the next 12 days. The clues are hidden in the animation, okay? Now, granted, this is the first day of Christmas. We're on the 7th day of Christmas. We're going to check that out by my boy Gene in just a second. But we got win 1 million in FEG and merch. Post a screenshot of your answers to win. Winners will be announced on the 12th day. We're not that far away. Repost the main X account festive code cracker post with the following. Tag 3 friends. Include these hashtag, that is hashtag FEG token, hashtag smart DeFi, hashtag code FEG. Now, important to remember right here, we got perform the task 2, 3, and 4 and change your X profile pic to the image below on the thread to enter into the draw for 200K FEG tokens and merch, hats, sunglasses. We're going to come onto the scene really hard with our new merch, okay? We got the 5 winners on X will be announced also on the 12th day. Can you crack the festive code? Now, you guys can check this out. Like I said, it's hidden in the animation. So make sure you guys, read in between the lines, look at what's in these animations, and go ahead and interact with this as well. Make sure you like and retweet everything going on with FEG token. If you're part of this channel, go ahead and like, subscribe. If you're new, and leave some bullish comments down below, because we're going to turn up the heat a lot when it comes to FEG token. So we're right here on the code cracker. Obviously, they have all these posted. That's why it's important that you guys go ahead and stay tapped in with FEG token. I'm going to go over some of the updates as far as the PEC shield goes as well. And then we're going to carry on with the video on some other bullish updates, and then get to those price predictions, technical analysis. There's a little teaser that I'm going to show you really quick. Boom, that's the teaser right there. Hopefully you caught it, of that $1 billion market cap and how long it took for us. We're going to talk about that at the end of the video, okay? So we got Smart DeFi audit update at PEC Shield. Big shout out to the PEC Shield team, the community, everybody rocking with them, because they really helped us grow and really helped us move along this journey that we're on. Review complete and internal testing underway. So there's some internal testing underway. Remember that there is going to be some public testing going on down the road. So make sure you guys are tapped in with those bell notifications, not only on the FEG X page, but also on mine at Rico Money Bags or my YouTube channel, because as soon as it comes out, you guys are going to hear it first right here on my YouTube channel or on the X page, coming from the FEG token team, okay? So we got FEG token is thrilled to share that PEC Shield, the esteemed security auditing firm, has completed their initial review of our Smart DeFi edits and SD presale contracts in line we got in line with their expert recommendations. We've diligently incorporated all suggested changes into our code, ensuring enhanced security and reliability. The FEG team is now intensively involved in internal testing, meticulously verifying every aspect to guarantee optimal functionality and security. Your ongoing support is crucial as we continue to polish and perfect Smart DeFi, committed to achieve the highest standards of transparency and security. That sounds, absolutely epic. Get ready for when that public testing goes live. This is exactly what we've been waiting for, and we've been taking the right steps, to smart steps, no pun intended, with making sure that this journey is secure and safe for all investors to come. This is something that I just want to bring up right here, because it always shows, FEG token was behind, but the minute the FEG army activates, we get trending on X again. Don't be one of those. Don't be that guy, or don't be that girl that waits to that picture that I'm going to show you when we're at the $1 billion market cap saying, I've been with FEG token since forever. Don't be that person. Right here, our community pulls up. This was behind, and look at how we shattered this. Be one of those that say we never left FEG token's side. I've been dropping videos for over 2 years on FEG token. And be one of those that say, you know what? We're going to keep pushing no matter what. That's who we are right here. So big shout out to Steve Cha. We got this coming up right here. Let's see what we got. So we got, let it load up. Give it a second. Okay. Yes, it's Saturday. So this is going to be an update, just some things that we possibly missed. But we have this right here. We got, yes, it's Saturday again. So enjoy some downtime from your work. If you can, however, you can relax on your investment as it's been a very festive week in the FEG ecosystem. Here are some highlights. So let's go over these highlights. We're going to cover these. Can you crack it? The code, the shill on BTOC. And also we're going to go over this coin market cap as well, making sure that we're active on everything. So we got big news from the FEG Rocks unveiling our groundbreaking bonding contract. Lock in ETH and BNB and pair with FEG tokens for a year secure, innovative, and rewarding. End of turn bonus, your ETH and BNB plus an equal share of FEG tokens. Elevate the liquidity pool and grow with the FEG ecosystem. Stay informed about impairment loss. Take part in our journey to enhance liquidity. Stay tuned for updates on testing and audits. FEG's dedication to thriving, stable ecosystem is unwavering and also secure. That's what we're working on really hard, as we can see that we've been, elbow to elbow with PegShield. All right. So next we have this right here. Yeah, I got pulled up. So this was the 4th day of Christmas. So make sure you guys catch up because we're on the 7th day of Christmas already as far as this festive code cracker goes, or festive code cracker goes. Another call to action that we have that you guys can tap in and help us out with is unveiling our groundbreaking bond. Okay, so we went over this on the X page, but come over here and engage with this right here. It's really important that we show our support not only to the team, but to the community that we're engaged in on all aspects, on CoinMarketCap, on X, on my YouTube video. Shout out to Crypto Ether, another great YouTuber that's always putting out positive content as far as FEG token goes. All right. So big shout out to Bullish as FEG. Okay. Are you understand it? Or are you understanding it yet? Maybe we could have put that at KuCoin with FEG token and whatnot. Make sure you guys like and retweet. Keep going ahead and share this and retweet this, re-exit, whatever we're going to call it, and keep our engagement up on all aspects. Stay tuned to the official FEG Telegram inside there and make sure that we're engaging with everything going on. I'm sure that you guys are noticing that things are starting to ramp up more and more. We're going to start to hear this more and more often. Win Lambo, because these are things that are actually and could happen, right? Not financial advice. You guys know what the deal is with that. Now we see the price pumping back up right here. We see what's going on. We are on the Ethereum side of things. We're going to check it out on BNB. We did do what we said. Bitcoin did pull back, so we have some pullback, nothing new. We're in the zone that we've been before, that we broke above, so we're not worried about that. We're going to check on the BNB side, but something really cool that I have for everybody right here. Let's go over to the BNB side real quick. Take a peek at it before I bring that picture up. Is we're in the same zone once again. Let's go ahead and put an up arrow, keeping track of things along the way. So right here, the support, yes, we broke a little bit underneath, but we can see that that's holding that support level at that 25.64. Now we're right back above it, and we're trading within this channel of 25 in this 26 zone. We're going to break past these things. The reason I say we're going to break past these things is this image right here tells it all. Basically, we got May 7th, May 9th, May 10th, May 11th again, and May 12th, all within May. Why is May so important? Leave a comment down below, pause the video if you want to go ahead and guess what is so important about May. Right? Give it a little pause. It's the Bitcoin halving. We are lined up. We are poised. We're getting ready for this once again. That is right around that time when you see us cruising at 78 million on May 7th. You see us at 154 million on May 9th. You see us at 231 million on May 10th. The very next day, we doubled that. We doubled that the very next day. And now we got more tech and more community as far as smart DeFi goes than ever before. The markets have been bearish. We've been in a bear market. Now we're climbing out of it. This was during that bull run. We're creeping up on that bull run. We are currently in a bull market. I believe so. I'm not going to wait to see Bitcoin hit 69,000 to start saying we're back. That's not what we're going to do here. But check this out. May 11th, 6:30 p.m. May 11th. A couple hours later, we nearly double it again. That says a lot. That speaks a lot of volume. And then on the very next day, the thing goes parabolic and basically almost goes to $2 billion market cap. Can I get a big FEG token in this house? Please leave some hashtags down below, because this is something that I want to see again. This is something that I could believe we can see again. FEG is a $1 billion project all day and night, no matter what. And we're going to keep climbing with this one. We're going to keep pushing. Feg Rocks, the alien himself, is going to continue to develop. We got RTR Crypto. We got Steve Chow. We got this whole community that makes this happen right there. My bad on hitting the mic right there. But this whole community is what made this happen. And some people are going to come crawling back. Yes, we lost some people. Yes, some people. Also, let's take note on what the price of ETH was. ETH is not nowhere near close to that. It's getting close, but it's 3,500. ETH was at 3,800. ETH was at 4,100, 4,100, 4,200. So I want you guys to read in between the lines that we're almost there. We're not quite there. We're in that bull market, but ETH has not even recovered. So we're going to recover just like the rest of the cryptos, as far as the blue chips go, are going to recover, and Smart DeFi all in one is going to recover. So don't get used to these prices. Don't get used. Yeah, we do technical analysis because I believe that we should be showing new investors how to connect the dots, reading between the lines, as far as absorbing all this information with Smart DeFi, blockchains, Feg token, then technical analysis on top of it, looking at charts, indicators, oscillators. So I'm doing my personal own duty that I believe I should be doing to help people get educated in this space, as far as understanding how to interpret these charts and not get shooken out of your positions because there's a pullback. You don't think that there was a lot of pullbacks when we were reaching that $1 billion market cap? There had been pullbacks, and eventually things went parabolic, just like Bitcoin out of nowhere took off as well. But we're going to keep pushing this one. We're going to stay tapped in. I want you guys to make sure you give me a follow at Rico Moneybags. Obviously, on my profile at Rico Moneybags, we had that giveaway. But I also want to mention, if you want to see these AMAs or these Smart DeFi tokens are going to be hosting a lot of AMAs, is in that Moneybags mansion. That is my TG, somebody that's been rocking with the Feg token and the Feg token community for the longest. And a lot of those community members, some of them are the ones coming out with these Smart DeFi projects. So that is going to be the home of a lot of Smart DeFi projects, where we're going to talk about Feg token. We're going to talk about a lot of other stuff as well. But that Moneybags mansion, that link is going to be down below where you guys can tap in. I also have another link for BYDeFi. They are tapped in with Feg token. You guys can go ahead and use that link down below. Get some extra perpetual coupons. If you do a deposit of $100, I think you get 150, somewhere along those lines. If you use my link, of course, that'll help support the channel. And also, you can buy Feg token on BYDeFi. I'm not sending you to an exchange that doesn't even have Feg token on it. That's where you guys can load up on Feg token. And also, this was something that was pretty cool that happened. When this campaign first started, it was 409. When it ended, it was close to 3,000 new potential investors that are now looking at Feg token as a potential investment. Okay, so you guys, of course, not financial advice. We'll get the cliche out the way. But if you guys can, if you guys want to support the channel, if you guys want to see these Smart DeFi tokens take off, tap in on the Moneybags Mansion Telegram, tap in on the Feg token official Telegram, the Smart DeFi Telegram, tap in on the channel. Make sure the bell notification is lit. As you can tell, as it starts to ramp up, I'm getting very excited because we have the opportunity to go chase those $1 billion market caps. And we can, not to even say that some of the Smart DeFi projects themselves don't hold the potential or don't have the potential to also hit $1 million market caps, $100 million market caps, and also possibly $1 billion market cap, because those Smart DeFi tokens are going to be launching with contracts technically and officially audited by PEC. So a lot of these tokens, all these tokens coming out on Smart DeFi are already audited. That's something that we usually have to wait for tokens to go ahead and get it through whatever auditing system that they want to. But PEC is one of the renowned top leaders as far as contract auditing goes, and all those Smart DeFi projects don't have to go ahead and spend their money, their development money, to go get their contracts audited, because they already will be. So that's one thing right off the list that Feg token is doing for us. Feg Rocks, the alien himself. And I just appreciate everybody continuously coming back to this channel, rocking with me. Let's get this channel to go viral. We're almost at 12,000 subscribers. I would love to see it at 20,000. It is possible with this Feg army. We are very, very big when it comes to this community. Big shout out to Gene. Big shout out to the whole Feg team. We're at 500,000 followers on the X page as far as X goes. So we have a lot of potential to grow. I want my channel to grow, and I want Feg tokens ecosystem to grow. So help me out by juking the algorithm. Like, subscribe, comment. You guys know the rest. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.